All right, the drink we're about to make is called Captain with a Skirt. So we're going to give the old captain a skirt on this drink, okay? First, put your ice in a glass and measure out a shot of Captain Morgan spiced rum. And next we're going to do about a shot of white wine. And this is why this is considered a Captain Morgan with a skirt. We're giving a little bit of a flair, I guess, with the white wine. I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way with Coca-Cola. So if you feel like having a Captain and Coke and giving it a skirt, this is all you got to do is make this drink. We'll mix this together here. There we go. And we got it all mixed up real nice. And set up our glass. Pour it in. And give it a straw, and just like a Captain and Coke, we're going to garnish it with a lime. There we go. Bottoms up.